Hello everyone, Lily here with Chimpy's Designs. In today's video, I'm going to be sublimating this cute little 80-piece puzzle that we have here. My daughter loves puzzles, so she wanted one made especially for her. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. With that being said, let's get started. Alrighty, so let's go over everything I will be using in this video. I will definitely need a pair of scissors to cut my butcher paper. I will also need a ruler to measure everything out so that way the measurements are exactly what they need to be. I'm also going to be using some heat resistant tape. Everything that I am using in this video, I will go ahead and leave a link down below for you guys. I will also be using this roll of butcher paper. Scissors are necessary, that way you don't get all this chaotic from rips. And then I'm going to be using my Epson 2720 printer that I converted into a sublimation printer. So far I've had it for 2 years and it's still going strong, along with my A-sub paper. I will attach a video here of what I use to print out my designs, but here we just have a quick time lapse of the design that my daughter chose. And I'm going to go ahead and just remove the puzzle from its original packaging. And I'm sure there's many ways to do this, but I just go ahead and I flip the puzzle onto the piece of paper and then just make sure that everything is aligned and centered before I tape it down with some heat transfer tape. And then I just went ahead and placed a piece of butcher paper underneath it. That way I can tape the design onto the butcher paper, just making sure that it's not going to move anywhere during the pressing process. And then once you're satisfied with the tape, we're just going to fold the piece of butcher paper over and then go ahead and move it to the heat press. And then when you place it on the heat press, make sure that the design is facing up to ensure a nice even heat press. And then depending on the heat press you are using, you would adjust the pressure to a medium pressure. The one that I am using in this video, I will go ahead and leave a link right here to the full review I have over this heat press. I've had it for I believe 3 years now and it's still doing great. So I'm going to go ahead and press this puzzle at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 seconds. And this is going to be very, very hot. So I would recommend letting it cool down for a little bit before trying to remove the paper and the tape from the design. If you don't have time, then I would recommend using some heat protecting gloves. I will link the ones that I use down below, but in this video I kind of wasn't patient and decided to just start removing the tape, but be very careful because it is hot. And then this is what we're left with, a super nice, vibrant, beautiful puzzle. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. My daughter is absolutely in love with this puzzle. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop them in the comments down below. If I missed anything in this video, feel free to reach out to me and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate the support over there. I have been gone for a while. I am currently pregnant, so the first trimester was definitely rough, but I hope to start creating consistent videos again. So definitely stay tuned for that and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching.